In today's video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone passcode 4 numbers instead of 6. Let's get into the method. Open the main Settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Face ID and Passcode from the list. You'll now need to enter your current passcode. After this, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. This option is in blue. Enter your current passcode once again, and then on the new passcode screen, tap on Passcode Options in the bottom left. Now choose 4-digit numeric code and enter the code that you want. This code will replace your previous one, and it's important to mention that a 4-digit code is not as secure as 6 digits. Confirm the new passcode you want again, and it should now set this passcode for you to use. That's how to make your iPhone passcode 4 numbers instead of 6. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.